Welcome, in front of me say Honor 8, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts application. From here, we're gonna go to More, Import Export, then we're gonna select Import from SIM, and you can now select all the contacts that you want to import. You can also quickly tap right here to select all of them. And then choose Import. It will give you progress of it being imported. Oh, for some reason I thought that's a progress bar and that it's selecting to importing to the phone, but you actually had to choose that. So anyway, once you actually select that, after realizing that that wasn't a progress bar, you can go back and you should see all the contacts right here. As you can see now, we have spaces between these SIM contacts, so those are all the contacts that have been imported. And anyway, that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.